Hello, I'm going to show you how to create chained campaigns and also how to select which period a campaign should transform into. So we have our ordinary package here, and I'm going to create a campaign based on it. Here a new option has been added, recurring flex. What this means is in the next step you can choose if you want this campaign to transform into an ordinary package but with a specific price that you want to choose, or if you want to build a campaign step by step. I will first show you the first option where a campaign transforms into ordinary price that is other than recurring month. So I've chosen recurring flex and period of your choice. When I save this and go to payment option, I want this to be monthly recurring, and for 6 months it should be 99 Swedish crowns. And when I save this, I will get a message that this is a flexible campaign and we are obligated to choose which price period this campaign should transform into. So I can press manage, and then I can choose either 1 month or 1 year, depending on what I have on my ordinary package subscription. So I want this to go from the 6-month campaign into a 1 year subscription that's renewed once a year. And when I save it and look at my campaign, it will now show me that it's $99 for 6 months and then transitions into 1099. And keep in mind, this is a test version, so all these currencies aren't correct at the moment. In the next video I will show you how to build different kind of campaign steps.